Hi guys, so today is Tuesday, and like I said in the previous vlog that just ended, if you haven't watched that vlog, please do well and support your girl. So I'm rushing home to go and make another soup. I want to make ofe nsala, white soup. And just as I was stepping out, one of my colleagues whose family literally they stay in Jos, so work actually brought him to Lagos. His nut is so addictive. Like this nut, very very addictive. So I just grabbed one for myself, and I got my camera is not here. Okay, focused. I got this ginger powder from him, very undiluted. They did not mix any mixing. If you open it here, god, it's so good. Like, it's coming from Plateau State, Jos. I also got, what's it called now, black pepper from him as well. So he brings all these things. So that if you can see that the packaging just look like the northern packaging. I got this black pepper. That's it. It's hot. It's really very hot. They finished buying the garlic. There was no garlic, so I couldn't get garlic. So I just got ginger and black pepper. There's no white pepper, but usually I buy ginger and garlic together, blend them together for my meals. But it's so good now that this is the first time I'm buying. No, is it the first time? Maybe not the first time. Maybe the second time I'm buying ginger powder alone. Because the ginger powder I have been buying, I feel it's been diluted sort of. So I stopped buying it. But for this, But for this one, it's a go. It's a go. It's a go. So let me just rush home and make dinner before hubby comes back. So yeah, let's go. High five! That's my baby! Blow mommy a kiss. First of all, where's my mic? Oh, let me be sure that. Guys, just give me a minute. So guys, I just got back from work and I just decided to quickly do this unboxing before I take off my makeup, take off my clothes. So I went to the family house, my parents' house, about 2 weeks ago, and there was one lotion that my sister got, and God, I actually love it. Did you close the door? Okay. So she gave me the money to get some items for her, and I told her to help me buy some things as well. So it got delivered today. First is the ordinary glycolic acid. This. And then I got this one for my baby secrets. I've actually seen this lotion and I love it. I got this for him, as well as the oil, the baby oil. This is the baby oil. I love it. No, this yours, take. And then I got this. My sister also got this for herself. She asked me to order it for her, the Neutrogena body oil. I've actually used this oil. It's very light, as light can be, very light, and I really love it. But the star of the show is this EOS vanilla lotion. My sister has it, and when I tried it, boy, see, but the thing you will keep perceiving it on your skin for a long time. And I was like, why not? Why not? So I got it as well. So yeah. So those are all I got. Go and give it to auntie. It's for you. Say thank you. Take, go and give it to auntie. Chips will come and collect this thing from him. So yeah, that's all I got. So I'll see you guys in the next frame. Good morning. So today is Friday. And like I always say, let me drop this here. And like I always say, we close really pretty early on Fridays. 12 o'clock, we're done for the day. And yeah, I have so many things lined up for today. Meanwhile, this is House of Jouer. Okay, because the French word, House of Jouer. This is the perfume. This is the perfume that Okoyemi Famaki has been hyping for a while now. If you know, you know. It smells nice, actually. I know I reviewed this perf some weeks ago, but I noticed that it doesn't really last like that long. So yeah, I'm also layering it with Nebras. So yeah, I decided not to spray my body because I don't know, they've been this rave now that when you spray your body, one thing, you spray it here, your thyroid level, I've stopped. But usually I kind of cream my body with butters, oil, and then I, just, in fact, that's even what I'm going to do. Maybe I should just dap them on my, maybe I'll just do this. Because I really like having it like on my skin, like this. So that's it. Tomorrow, I don't know, one of my colleagues was telling me about a particular market where they sell food stuff that is really, really cheap. It's not my 12. They said this one is cheaper than my 12. And I was like, is there really any market that is cheaper than my 12? And they told me Ile Ekpo, like after Iyanekpaja. And I want to really go there tomorrow. I'll be going with one of my colleagues, a guy for that matter. So I know he actually understands the terrain. So I'll go with him. I want to buy tomatoes, peppers, crayfish, just normal food stuff. So I'm going to be comparing prices, but that's going to be a video on its own. I hope that I'll be able to compile these videos and I will not get lost in the market. By lost, I mean I will not forget that I'm actually supposed to film this. I don't know how it's going to go, but tomorrow let's see if it's something I can film and compile. That would be a stand-alone video on its own. So that's it. I'm stopping by my son's school. Want to make school fees payments. January. So want to make school fees payments and all whatnot. So that's just it though. So I'll see you guys in the next frame as usual. Guys, we have Harmattan now in Lagos. Like, the weather is so hazy. Hey, Harmattan, don't come. Meanwhile, I want to prepare, what's it called? Okra soup for my baby, because I noticed that he actually eats swallow, but he loves okra more. So I just asked my girl now to go get okra and what's this thing called? Is it grape? Yeah, grapes. But she couldn't. Is it grapes? Berries. That's same grape. Berries. But she could not get berries. She got the okra, and we forgot to buy ugu. So I'll just prepare the okra that way and just add smoked fish. I don't think I'll carry you guys along. I'll just show you after I'm done. Secondly, I just thought to rant. Okay, let me hold this. For my TikTok, I said in the very first video I made this year that I'm trying to grow all of my accounts. But please, can you tell me why this account has refused to cross 400? See, it's not as if people are not following me. People will follow me and then they will just unfollow. Like somebody, the devil just gave somebody a seat and said, if this girl reach 400, just unfollow. Like, I don't understand. I'll get to 400 and in a matter of 2 days, one person will now unfollow. I'll get to 400. In fact, I've gotten to 402 before. And I'm like, reach 3 days, 2 people unfollowed, one person now. I'm just stuck at 399. I don't know if it's a technical problem. See, by the way, follow me. I don't know if it's a technical problem or it's just somebody that is now the weapon formed and fashioned against me that is saying I will not grow my TikTok account, but I'll put you to shame. I'll put that person to shame. So that's it. Let me just go get cooking and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Permit me, I really do not want to shout. The time is it's pretty early. The time is like 5:39. Time is 5:39, and like I said, I'm going to the market today. My colleague has called me and said we're going to be leaving at 5:45, 5:50 thereabouts, but I'm prepared, and he told me to wear slippers. Now let me show you my full feet, what I look like. Let me drop you guys here and just give me a minute. So I'm putting on this black top, and okay, let me do like this, and a black short, and that's my slippers. So yeah, I'm ready. So let me go do one or two things, and I'll catch you guys later. Hey fam, good morning. So I got back from the market quite early, like very, very early. And I think we left at 6, and I got back here around 9-ish. That was pretty fast. So I will show you the tomatoes I got. No. I will not show you that. Like I said, that will be a standalone video. So please watch it. I don't even know the one that will go live first. Either that one or this one, whichever one. Anyways, I told you guys that it's remaining stockfish and crayfish. I sent someone to get them for me. The person tried, even though he didn't get exactly what I wanted. The last one I got with my mom was bigger than this. And he said this is cod. I know cod is usually very, very good and has a very sweet taste. Once you start cooking stockfish that is called, everybody will know that you have stockfish cooking. So for the head, he got this, he got this, and I asked him to buy ear for me, the ear. So this is, I can't remember how much. He just said there are different prices, 4,000, 3,000, 2,500. But I love the size of this one. So in total, look at, just count. So he also got flesh for me. For the flesh, he got 4 pieces. They are actually very sizable. So it's plenty. We still have like plenty here left. About 10. Yes, it's still about 10. Which I feel is so. See how big this one is. And they are sizable. So, and the crayfish, he also got me 1 pint of crayfish. I wanted to buy 2 pints, but he said my money did not reach. But yeah, it is what it is. So I'm actually preparing chicken curry sauce now. I was actually prepping everything. Let me show you guys how far I've gone. The rice. So the rice has been cooked. I'm only just prepping. Oh my God. I'm only just prepping my carrots. I've prepped my peppers, and yeah. So let me show you what my fridge is looking like now. Sorry, my freezer. Good. It's looking like. Can you see the amounts of peppers and tomatoes that is in here? Even down the meats are down, the proteins. This is the crayfish here. 1 pint. So all these are tomatoes. All these ones are tomatoes. So this is what we have. So that is what we have going on. The time is 8:20. Let me quickly just make breakfast. No, not breakfast, because everybody is eating brunch. Breakfast into lunch. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I won't carry you guys along. I'll see you guys when I'm done cooking. Hey guys, so today is Monday, and oh yeah, I made another hair. It was really impromptu. Yeah, I was supposed to make this hair on Thursday, but I've looked at it and I was like, that Thursday will be very tight for me. So I had to rush to my stylist. I told her if she'll be available. She said no, she'll not be available. But I still, with my coconut head, went there, loosened the hair, washed it, and as God will have it, one of her trainees who can make hair actually made this hair for me. Very simple. I love it. The compliment I've received with this hair, no be small thing. Then I made my nails. I actually made this two-toned color, black and silver. Like it's giving sequence reflection sort of. So yeah, even though this is even not the color I wanted to do. There's a type of black I wanted her to make for me, but she didn't have the exact one, and she made this one for me. Let's unbox what I got from Temu. Thumbnail. What I got from Temu. So let's quickly unbox. Even though it's even been a while, I ordered anything from Temu because I don't know, it's just giving. So I actually bought this for my phone stand because I noticed that while I'm working, I listen to so many things, watch so many movies whilst working, listen to messages. So I got this. Okay. Oh, it's so strong and it's so durable. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, like this. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. So I think it's actually nice and it's flexible. It can go to, and I think this is a charging port or something. I'll check. I got this. Okay. I got this for my phone, like for my phone handle. My girl will fix it for me now. No, I have to change this pack. What's this one? Oh, this is for my camera, my DJI. Why is this so small? Okay. Oh, wow. I have to learn how to use this one. Even 2 clips. I know he will come here. Is it not you again? I wonder how this will work. Leave him. Don't worry, leave him. You are running away. And this one is for my camera. Why is this one so small? This one too is for my camera stand. I'll do a video. Okay, it's even here, self. This thing. So you do it like this and stand it this way. So this is it. I got 2 because this one is already looking like it has stretched a little, so it's not really clipping as it should. This thing is now very chaotic. Once I why is it? Wait first, wait. Okay, wait. This is for my kitchen stuff. All these kitchen stickers. Hold this one. I got 2. This is for my phone. Like they even put 2 of this thing. Oh no. I got 2 of them. This is for my phone, like a bigger one. Of that one I showed you now. Wait. God forbid. Hey, open this thing for me. Hey, I got this thing plenty. Why? Hey. Jesus. I wanted to buy this thing for salad cream. For salad cream. God. It's not a matter of review size. The review is good. I'll manage it because I'll just, you know that thing where you just, oh Lord. Then I actually got this one again. Kitchen. I got this one. So let me go and fix it and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh. So this is what it looks like. Let me see. I think I didn't do this well, but it's like that. Yeah, so fine. Then the second one.